In the murky depths of ancient times, a fearsome predator ruled both land and sea, a creature of nightmares known as Qianosuchus. Its razor-sharp teeth and formidable frame struck terror into the hearts of all who dared cross its path. But as darkness falls upon the untamed landscapes and treacherous waters, a lingering question hangs in the air. What unspeakable horrors did Qianosuchus unleash upon the world? Brace yourself for a journey into a realm of primeval terror, where the boundaries between land and sea blur and the true extent of Qianosuchus' reign remains shrouded in mystery. Get ready to delve into a tale of ancient power and untamed savagery, where survival hangs by a thread and the line between hunter and hunted is forever blurred. Qianosuchus is an extinct genus of aquatic paposauroid, archosaur from the Middle Triassic Anisian Gonling Formation of Pan County, China. It is represented by two nearly complete skeletons and a crushed skull preserved in the limestone. Qianosuchus was at least 3 meters long and had several skeletal adaptations which indicate a semi-marine lifestyle, similar to modern-day saltwater crocodiles. These adaptations have not been seen in any other archosaur from the Triassic. Qianosuchus, an extinct crocodiliform, emerged during the early Jurassic period, nearly 190 million years ago. This small-bodied creature belonged to the family Qianosuchus, characterized by their elongated snouts, a distinctive feature that set them apart. Fossil remains of Qianosuchus were first unearthed in the Lower Lufeng Formation of Yunnan Province, China, back in 2002. The discovery of a nearly complete skull and partial postcranial skeleton provided scientists with invaluable insights into the creature's appearance and biology. In the ancient world, Qianosuchus stood as a fascinating creature with a skull around 33 centimeters long, which is 13 inches, featuring a distinctive elongated snout. Its premaxilla formed a shallow front and gradually deepened towards the back of the skull. The impressive dental arrangement consisted of 9 long teeth on each premaxilla and 18 teeth on each maxilla, all of which were laterally compressed, curved backwards, and serrated, a characteristic shared with other carnivorous archosaurs. Notably, Qianosuchus possessed expanded and elongated nares that almost touched the antorbital fenestrae, resulting in a thin and lightweight bony wall, septum separating them. An intriguing aspect of its skull was the absence of the jugal bone in the border of the antorbital fenestra. Furthermore, its orbits housed large and well-developed sclerotic rings, reinforcing the eyeball during diving activities. Exploring further, the frontal bones of Qianosuchus displayed deep depressions, fossae, on their upper surface, stretching backward towards the sutures with the parietals. Another fossa was found between the two parietals themselves. The dentary, although slightly downturned at the tip, had an unknown precise tooth count due to its concealment beneath the maxillary, teeth, and fossils. Its hyoid bones were long and slender, with slightly expanded ends. Moving to the skeletal structure, Qianosuchus boasted a series of vertebrae that revealed its adaptability, with 9 cervical vertebrae, 15 dorsal vertebrae, and at least 50 caudal vertebrae. Its tail posterior end was unfortunately missing in the preserved skeletons. The caudal vertebrae became tall and thin in the posterior region as the neural spines grew taller in that area. While the first 23 caudal vertebrae possessed transverse processes, these processes were absent further down the tail. The vertebral centra became progressively shorter, rendering the tail more flexible than the neck. Some interior caudal vertebrae showcased chevron bones beneath them, adding to the tail's height. Intriguingly, all presacral vertebrae had small osteoderms on the top of their neural spines. The elongate cervical ribs, estimated to be at least 4 times the length of their corresponding centra, potentially played a role in creating suction in the throat during prey capture by expanding the esophagus. The dorsal ribs were expanded and pachyosotic at their distal ends. The anatomy of Qianosuchus extended to its limbs and pelvic girdle. The scapulae were thin and short but possessed an exceptionally broad dorsal blade. Oval-shaped and thin coracoid bones accompanied them, while the clavicles articulated with the interclavicle at nearly right angles, forming an L-shaped outline. The slender and straight humeri completed the enigmatic forelimbs, although their details remain unknown beyond the elbows. The pelvic girdle resembled that of closely related Archosaurus with a large posterior process and a small interior process on the ilium. The pubis featured a deep forearm near its proximal end, and the thinner, shorter ischium had a slight expansion at its distal end. The femur exhibited a weak sigmoid shape, while the fibula and tibia were nearly equal in length. Remarkably, the calcaneum possessed a hemicylindrical condyle and a broad calcaneal tuber, while the astragalus had a convex facet for the tibia. Qianosuchus boasted 5 metatarsals and 2 tarsals, with a slightly hooked 5th metatarsal. With a total length of approximately 1 meter, which is 3.3 feet, Qianosuchus stood as a testament to the remarkable diversity of prehistoric life. Its sleek and streamlined body, coupled with its elongated snout, hinted at a dietary preference for fish and other small aquatic prey, reminiscent of modern-day gharials. This suggests that Qianosuchus was well adapted for an aquatic life, perhaps engaging in swift swimming and agile maneuvering. The ancient remains of Qianosuchus were discovered in the Lower Lufeng Formation, a region renowned for its abundance of early dinosaur fossils. This area, located in Yunnan province, was once a warm and humid marshland, interwoven with streams and lakes, a primeval environment teeming with life. The presence of Qianosuchus in this ecosystem provides valuable insights into the ancient aquatic fauna that thrived in these ancient wetlands. Qianosuchus was a skilled hunter on both land and water, equipped with a set of razor-sharp teeth and a dexterous physique. On land, it pursued a diverse range of small and medium-sized creatures, including insects, reptiles, and early mammals. Its elongated snout enabled it to capture fast-moving prey, while its slender limbs facilitated swift pursuit and even potential tree climbing. In the aquatic realm, Qianosuchus displayed remarkable prowess. It ventured into shallow freshwater habitats, such as lakes and streams, where it fed on fish and other marine creatures. Although it lacked the specialized adaptations of later crocodiliforms, Qianosuchus thrived as a formidable predator in the water, with its slender jaws enabling it to snatch unsuspecting prey. Qianosuchus shared its aquatic domain with other small-bodied crocodiliforms and marine reptiles, including Ichthyosaurus and Plesiosaurus. While its exact role in the ecosystem remains unclear, its relatively small size suggests that it may not have held the position of top predator. Belonging to the Qianosuchus family, Qianosuchus represents an early stage in the evolution of crocodiliforms. Its discovery sheds light on the ancient origins of these fascinating creatures and their adaptations to aquatic environments during the Jurassic period. Qianosuchus, with its unique blend of agility and versatility, proved to be an efficient and fearsome predator in its time. While not the largest or most heavily armored of its contemporaries, it possessed a combination of traits that allowed it to terrorize a variety of prey both on land and in the water. Qianosuchus was a testament to the ancient world's diversity and the remarkable adaptations that evolved over millions of years. Qianosuchus, along with its fellow Qianosuchia and early other crocodiliforms, eventually met their demise, disappearing from the face of the earth during the Jurassic period. The reasons behind their extinction remain a subject of scientific investigation, with theories suggesting competition with other predators or shift in climate and habitats. Qianosuchus stands as a relic of a bygone era, offering a glimpse into the intricate tapestry of life's evolution. As we uncover more fragments of this ancient puzzle, our understanding of Earth's early inhabitants deepens. Qianosuchus and its counterparts hold significant importance in deciphering the early development of crocodiliforms and their adaptations to different environments. These ancient aquatic crocodiliforms contribute to the larger narrative of prehistoric life, revealing the intricate web of interactions and the factors that shaped the evolution of species. Beyond China, there have been tantalizing reports of possible Qianosuchid remains from other corners of the world, such as North America and Europe. Fragmentary fossils from these regions hint at the widespread distribution of early crocodiliforms and their fascinating evolutionary journeys. However, further investigation is required to confirm the identities of these specimens and their significance in the broader context of prehistoric life. Qianosuchus, with its slender build, elongated snout, and agile hunting techniques, stands out among its contemporaries. It represents a distinctive branch in the crocodiliform family tree, alongside other fascinating members like Hesperosuchus, Saltopus, and Qianosuchus. These early crocodiliforms paved the way for the diverse and successful lineages of modern crocodiles and alligators, which continue to thrive to this day. The extinction of Qianosuchus and its kin marked the end of an era. As the Jurassic period progressed, the world witnessed the rise of new predators and the transformation of ecosystems. Yet, the legacy of Qianosuchus lives on in the fossil record, offering invaluable insights into the ancient past and the marvels of evolution. Each discovery, each fragment of bone, adds to our understanding of the intricate tapestry of life that unfolded millions of years ago. The story of Qianosuchus, with its terrorizing presence on both land and sea, reminds us of the astonishing diversity and adaptability of prehistoric creatures. It beckons us to delve deeper into the depths of time, uncovering the secrets of the past and weaving together the fabric of Earth's history. As researchers continued to study the fossilized remains of Qianosuchus, they stumbled upon a startling revelation. Hidden within the intricate details of its skeletal structure, they discovered enigmatic clues that hinted at a previously unknown behavior. The ancient creature's elongated snout, coupled with its specialized teeth, raised questions about its hunting techniques and ecological role. What secrets lie concealed in the depths of Qianosuchus's fossilized remains? With each new discovery, the veil of mystery surrounding this prehistoric predator deepens, leaving scientists and enthusiasts eagerly awaiting the unraveling of its enigmatic tale.